everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. So today I'm gonna cook one of our traditional food here in Sarawak that we call Tempoyak. Come and look a little bit closer. So this is how the Tempoyak looks like. So basically Tempoyak is made from durian. So this is the fermented durian, and then usually most of our people like to eat durian, like to eat tempoyak during festival and anytime they want. Tempoyak is very nice food, unique food because it's fermented from durian. Tempoyak can take 3 to 4 weeks to prepare for this tempoyak, and it can ever last if we keep in our freezer until 1 to 2 years. Before we start cooking, let me introduce all the ingredients that we have here. First of all, we have our tempoyak, that is fermented durian, and we have some chili, garlic, we have dried anchovies, some sugar, and then lastly red onion. Okay, first we're gonna cut our red onion into small pieces like this. Next, our garlic. And lastly, cut our chili. If you like spicy, and then you can add more chili. If not, just add 2 to 4 pieces of chili. It's up to you. Okay guys, so let's start cooking. So first we have our cooking oil. Then we put our chili, red onion, and our garlic together. Okay, then our anchovies just now. And mix it. And then our tempoyak. Then mix it. You add some sugar because it's quite sour, the taste of the fermented durian. Okay, after 3 to 4 minutes, our tempoyak is ready to serve. Yay! Now our tempoyak is ready to serve, and I'm excited to try this. So let's try it. Okay. A little bit sour, but I think this one quite long. They keep it in the freezer, and there's a little bit spicy and sweet. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching my tempoyak fried. So I hope you can try this to cook it by your own at your home, and stay safe and wait for my next video. Bye.